His word becomes the kingdom of our God. We won't stop to press, and we won't stop to pray until we see all creation proclaim the Lordship of our God. We won't stop to press, and we won't stop to pray. Your kingdom come on earth, that will be done in earth, just like in heaven. We pray your will be done. Your kingdom come on earth, that will be done in earth, just like in heaven. We pray your will be done. Of our God is exalted than other ones. We won't stop to press, and we won't stop to pray until the knowledge of Jesus has flooded the entire world. We won't stop to press, and we won't stop to pray. Your kingdom come on earth, that will be done in earth, just like in heaven. We pray your will be done. Your kingdom come on earth, that will be done in earth, just like in heaven. We pray your will be done. Until we see Babylon fall, we will keep pushing from Zion. We won't stop to press, we won't stop to pray until revival is restored to every section of the church. We won't stop to press, and we won't stop to pray.